Okay, part 2.
Part 2. Okay, so we just waited her.
We were supposed to wait 15 seconds, but we were waiting. I thought we were supposed to wait 15 minutes.
Yeah. But now let's look. Oh, so we need to shake her more. I think we need to shake her more. Do you think? I think.
Let me see. Okay, what
And
happened?
what happened?
That was stuck inside her
Lungs.
colon. So we had to take that out and remove the slime that was stuck inside of her. But luckily, we were able to do that. Okay, hold on. We got to clean her out first, and then we'll feed her again. So they happen to give you this perfect little cleaning thing. I'm assuming we are not the first one that's had this problem. So they give you a perfect little cleaning tool so that you can clean out in case you forget to disengage your belly button. And that gets clogged inside of her.
This was clogged inside of her. Okay, guys. So right now